The typical time where you would install an engineered materials arresting system is when you don't have the ICAO required 90-meter resa. So at the end of your runway, you're obviously going to have your 60-meter runway strip. And then beyond that, by ICAO regulation, you should or shall have at least the 90-meter required resa. ICAO, of course, recommends a full 240-meter resa, but in most cases, local CAAs do only require the 90-meter resa. So the EMAS, the Engineered Materials Arresting System, is a passive system. That's an energy absorbent system that is custom configured for each airport based on the requirements of that airport from the runway length, elevation, and also the fleet mix for that airport. Some other instances when you'd want to install an EMAS is when you don't have the proper space, obviously, for that 90-meter required resa. You're a tabletop airport. You're a space-constrained airport as far as you have a lake or a body of water or a highway that you're unable to move or acquire. Another area is obviously to increase your runway capacity, which can also obviously increase your airport revenue by gaining larger aircraft and more passengers and cargo out of your airport as well. So it's a way to increase your distance available on the runway for landing and takeoff.